Hello YouTubers, thanks for checking out another episode from How to Webmaster. In today's Camtasia tutorial, I'm going to show you how to separate out your audio from your video. Down here I have in track 1 a video file. It looks like this and it has
simple tip. I'm basically taking you through my coloring.
And it already has some audio as you can see. And now let's separate out the audio by right clicking and then go to separate audio and video. And now in track 2 you have the audio, and track 1 you have the video. So you can simply remove the audio if you want to, and you can change the volume. Let's replace this with another audio if you want. So let's remove this, just delete it, and we can add in another audio track if you want. So now it's just music. Okay, that's how easy it is to separate video and audio. I hope this helps. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more tips and tricks on Camtasia and other marketing tutorials. Thanks again, and happy YouTubing.